Cars undertake certain destructive tests to qualify safety features and robustness. What about frac plugs? Are they robust enough to run in your wells? What if the plug encounter restriction when it travels at the speed up to 1000 feet min during pump down? Let's see what could go wrong if that happens. When the plug is poorly designed without anti-preset mechanism. But at Vertex, we do stringent plug crash test on all our new plug design to guarantee all our plug are designed with extreme robustness and eliminate preset. Over 20,000 Vertex frac plugs deployed successfully since 2016, supported by robustness test protocol for every single design. Are the frac plugs running in your wells strong enough?